Business meets performance. That is the only thing that comes to mind when I look at this. The all-new Mercedes AMG E53 hybrid 4MATIC that has just been launched in India from a starting price of rupees 1.45 crore. Now, इस गाड़ी में आपको मिल जाता है एक 3 लीटर का इनलाइन 6 सिलेंडर इंजन, 4MATIC ऑल व्हील ड्राइव एंड अ लॉट मोर. साथ में प्लग इन हाइब्रिड भी है और मैं इन सारी डिटेल्स के बारे में बात करने वाला हूं इन दिस क्विक वॉक अराउंड. सो आई सजेस्ट दैट यू कीप वॉचिंग. Now before I start giving you all the exciting details of this first plug-in hybrid AMG जो इंडिया के लिए लॉन्च हो गई है, थोड़ी डिज़ाइन पे भी ध्यान दे देते हैं. एंड सामने से आपको देख के of course it is going to remind you of the E-Class because of course this is an E53 AMG. फ्रंट में बट जो चेंजेस है उनकी मैं अगर बात करूं, of course you get to see the very recognizable LED headlamp here. मगर ये जो ग्रिल है, this is AMG specific and gets very aggressive vertical slats and also is illuminated around the periphery. नीचे बम्पर का भी डिजाइन ज्यादा अग्रेसिव है from the standard car, the long wheel base model that we are so familiar with, and this front fender on both the side is also wider by 11 mm जो इस गाड़ी को एक दे रहा है बहुत ही aggressive stance. और उसी के साथ बात कर देते हैं about the side profile of the E53 AMG. Now of course it is an E-Class but आप देखेंगे that it is not awkwardly long as we have seen in the E-Class long wheelbase. Of course this is an AMG car, you know, built to perform and take those tight turns and corners. फ्रंट में आपको देखने को मिलेगा नाउ दीज आर द वेंट्स जिसके साथ लेटरिंग है ऑफ द टर्बो हाइब्रिड. यस, दिस इज अ टर्बोचार्ज्ड इंजन एंड इज आल्सो अ प्लग इन हाइब्रिड ड्राइव ट्रेन. एंड यहाँ पर आपको देखने को मिल रहे हैं इसके 20 इंच फोर्ज अलॉय व्हील्स. दोज लुक रियली नाइस. और पीछे है बड़े 390 mm के you know disc brakes with the red AMG calipers as you can see right down there. Now moving forward towards the bodywork you'll get to see कि यहाँ पर साइड स्कर्ट्स भी Mercedes Benz ने इस गाड़ी के लिए ऐड करी हैं. एंड these backlit flush door handles that you see, if I will just you know swipe up like that, then they pop out. Right now the car is already on, so they are in the open position. Coming to the rear end, all the accents and everything on this car is blacked out because it is coming with AMG's Nightshade accessory kit, which means कि यहाँ पर सारी accessories आपको and appliques आपको मिलेंगे ब्लैक आउट. और फिर एक क्विक लुक लेते हैं इसके रियर एंड टेल एंड डिजाइन पे. एंड ऑफ कोर्स यू गेट अ लॉट ऑफ इंटरेस्टिंग AMG ट्रीटमेंट हियर एज वेल. दैट इंक्लूड्स द लिप स्पॉइलर दैट यू सी ऑन द ट्रंक हियर. यहाँ पर E53 की आपको बैजिंग देखने को मिल रही है और AMG का बैज भी यहाँ पर है. नाउ वन ऑफ द वेरी क्लेवर थिंग्स अबाउट द न्यू जनरेशन ऑफ E-Class iterations that I really like are these tail lamps. बिकॉज एज यू कैन सी यहाँ पर वो आपको LED में भी 3 पॉइंटेड स्टार जो Mercedes का लोगो है उसका डिजाइन देखने को मिल रहा है. नाउ ऑफ कोर्स इट इज अ सलून सो इट हैज अ बूट एज वेल. बट यहाँ पर बिलो दिस फ्लोर बोर्ड इज व्हाट houses the entire battery and all the electronics of the E53. तो यहाँ पर boot space थोड़ा compromised है. It is about approximately 370 liters and good for you know a weekend trip luggage capacity of around 2 people or maybe 3 people, I'm not sure. ये एक चीज़ है about this performance car that you know one has to consider before going in for such a vehicle. With Mercedes Benz they think of everything and अगर आपको ज़्यादा boot space की ज़रूरत है, maybe you are carrying something really long and you need extra space, then you have these switches to tumble down the second row of the E53 and उसके अलावा you also get a powered boot gate. And just like that, now I am sitting inside the front, the main seat of the E53, which is of course going to be the driver's seat because this is why you buy a sports saloon like this one. And the first thing that will, you know, of course grab your attention is this AMG spec steering wheel covered in Nappa leather. यहाँ पर आपको 2 dials भी मिलते हैं. Now that is related to the dynamic select and the performance and the driving modes of the car, जिसमें आपको मिलता है comfort, sport plus for your suspension setting, for your drive mode and for your track racing modes as well. Of course यहाँ पर बहुत ही अच्छी फिनिश में आपको अप और डाउन पैडल शिफ्टर्स भी देखने को मिल रहे हैं. एंड एवरीथिंग अबाउट दिस कार can be controlled from the steering itself. Mercedes-Benz is also offering the MBUX Super Screen setup in this E53 बट ये जो गाड़ी अभी हमारे साथ है, इसमें यहाँ पर एक सेंट्रल इंफोटेनमेंट टच स्क्रीन है एंड देन यू हैव द ड्राइवर इंफॉर्मेशन डिस्प्ले राइट अप देयर. बोथ आर प्रीटी क्रिस्प इन देयर resolution and give you all the information that you need. Of course, Napa leather का काफी ज़्यादा use करा गया है इस पूरे इंटीरियर में and the entire theme is black which gives you a very sporty vibe. ये यहाँ पर red accents भी आपको seats पे देखने को मिलेंगे and then you have the AMG badge sitting proudly on the backrest here as well. Of course, these seem to be a kind of a bucket seat because they wrap around you very nicely and are finished. Of course, then the Mercedes-Benz ambient lighting also grabs your attention and has been one of the most key ingredients of a Mercedes-Benz interior for the past few years. Overall, my height is 5'11" and I am a pretty heavy-set guy, but still I get to feel very comfortable on this driver's seat. I wish I was driving it today, but not yet, maybe some other time. Now, of course, one of the most big advantages of going in for a sports saloon like the E53 is that you get proper seating at the rear as well. And of course, this is the standard wheelbase, not that awkwardly long E-Class that we get to see in the standard model. But even then, I've got enough and ample of room here back in the back seat and a lot of, I've also got a center armrest here. The seats are carved out in such a way that I'm getting enough of knee room and headroom is not an issue here as well. उसके अलावा मेरे को यहाँ पर एक panoramic sunroof भी देखने को मिल रहा है and overall with the entire black theme for the headliner and the seats, ये गाड़ी बहुत ही ज़्यादा एक sporty vibe दे रही है even for the rear passengers. And here comes the most exciting part about the Mercedes AMG E53 और वो है उसका 3-liter inline 6-cylinder turbocharged petrol engine. Now, this is a plug-in hybrid vehicle, which means that there is an electric drivetrain that assists this engine as well, and combined output इस engine का है of 585 horsepower and 750 Newton meters of torque. अब वो power जो है डिलीवर होती है via the 9-speed gearbox, and this car also gets the 4MATIC Plus all-wheel drive. Overall, it can go to a top speed of 280 kilometers per hour and can do a 0 to 100 kilometers per hour sprint in just 3.8 seconds. So that was all about the newly launched Mercedes-Benz E53 AMG Hybrid 4MATIC Plus. Let me know what you think about this really beautiful and really powerful plug-in hybrid car, the first plug-in hybrid AMG that has been launched in India, in the comments. Like always, do not forget to like and share this video with your other automotive enthusiast friends to let them know about all the new launches that we keep covering for you on the Times Drive YouTube channel. And do not forget also to like this video and subscribe to the channel for instant updates.